Hey, I hope everybody's doing well today. You'll have to excuse me, I haven't shaved in a few days. I'm getting ready to cook something that I grew up eating, something my mother made, and that's salmon croquettes or salmon patties made out of the canned salmon. And I really like them. We're going to have the salmon croquettes, we're going to have macaroni with tomatoes, and we're going to have coleslaw. So stick around and see how we make these salmon croquettes. Give them a try, and I hope you like them. And please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and leave me a comment. I'd really appreciate it. Thanks. Okay, these are going to be our ingredients. There's not a whole lot of ingredients in this dish. I'm using 2 of the 14-ounce cans of the pink salmon. And I bought this at Dollar General at the dollar store. You can buy it at your grocery store. And I've also got 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, and a half a teaspoon of onion powder. Then I've got a 1/4 cup of finely diced onion and a 1/4 cup of finely diced celery. And I've got 8 saltine crackers that I crumbled up with my hand. And this is the tuna there in the bigger bowl. And then this is cornmeal. And this is something most people don't use on the salmon croquettes, but it's something I like to put on the outside of the patties before I fry them. Personal preference. You can use that, or you can use nothing, or you can use some more crushed up saltine crackers if you want that crust on the outside. And the only other ingredient I haven't gotten out yet is 1 egg. And I'll kind of scramble that egg up before I toss it in. All right, we're going to start getting our salmon patties together here. I'm going to crack 1 egg, drop it in. I'm going to take a fork and kind of stir that egg up a little bit. Get that egg mixed around in there. That's what's going to help hold the patties together, is that egg. And now we're pretty much going to dump everything else in. There's our 8 crushed up saltine crackers, our 1/4 cup of celery and onion that's been finely diced. And here's our seasonings, our 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of pepper, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, and a half teaspoon of onion powder. And now we're just going to get in here with our hand and we're going to mix everything in really well. After we get everything mixed well, we're just going to make basically be like a small hamburger patty is what they're going to look like. The thickness will depend on what you prefer. I like them fairly thin, about like this. About like the diameter is about like a hockey puck, and the thickness is what, 1/2 inch. And what I'll do is I'll make these all into a patty like this, and then I will put them each side, tap it down in the cornmeal. Then I'll set them on a pan covered with a piece of parchment paper and let them sit for a few minutes before I start to fry them. And then I'll just have, about a 1/2 inch or less, a little less than a 1/2 inch of oil in a pan, and fry them about 4 minutes on each side. All right, I got my patties made. I'm gonna let them sit for a few minutes before I begin frying them. Ended up with 8 patties. The last one there, top right, is a little bit smaller than the rest of them because that was the last one. And so they're not perfectly all the same size, but if you're a perfectionist, you can get out the exact amount of salmon each time and make them all the same size. But I'm just going to eat them, so I'm not really concerned with the size of them. I invited my mother, Mimi LaRue, to come cook the macaroni and tomatoes because hers always tastes better than mine. So I'm going to see exactly how she does it. She's got about 3 tablespoons of butter in there in the skillet, heating it up. Burner on. Well, I guess she's not heating it up. She don't know how to turn the burner on. On what? There. Mimi LaRue's trying to do everything before I can see it on the video. She don't want to be on the video. Too bad. She's got her butter melted and heated up. Now she's putting her diced onion in to saute it. We've got our elbow pasta or macaroni pasta over here in the pot boiling. Made me look like, what's that lady's name? South. And put some South in your mouth. Paula Deen. Hey, y'all. It put some South in your mouth. With some macaroni and tomatoes. These aren't petite diced. They're not? No. Well, you didn't say petite diced. You said tomatoes. All right, Mimi noticed the tomatoes we had open were not petite diced, so we had to switch out the can and get some that are petite diced. So now she's added those into her onions that she marinated in butter. Now I think she's going to add some salt and pepper. Be sure and measure exact. You want to make sure you put the perfect amount, and that would be the amount that tastes good. Like I always say, we're not building a piano, we're cooking. So you season it the way you like it. Right now we've used for now. She might add some more later. Right now we've just sauteed diced onion and butter, and then after they were translucent, we added petite diced tomatoes, 1 can. Now she's added some salt and pepper. Now it's going to simmer for a little bit. Actually, they were a little more than translucent. I like mine pretty done. Mimi's draining the water off our pasta over here. Okay, she got the pasta ready and strained the water off. Now she's adding some butter. Actually, we're going to wind up probably using the whole stick of butter. So between sauteing the onions and putting butter in the pasta, we're going to end up using about the whole stick of butter. So 1/2 cup of butter in this little dish. And she put a little salt and pepper in there too. Now Mimi's going to pour her tomatoes into the pasta with all the butter and the salt and the pepper. Now basically she's just gonna stir that together. You'll probably taste it here in a minute and see if it needs any more salt and pepper. Basically just gonna keep it hot until our salmon patties are ready. All right, we got our oil hot, so we're gonna start cooking our salmon patties. Got my oil at about 350 degrees. And the salmon in the cans is already cooked. So really you just cook these until you get your desired color on the outside. I like it golden brown. And I forgot to mention earlier, whenever I got my salmon out of the can, it's got skin and bones in it. And you can eat that. Nothing wrong with it, more nutrients. But I take the skin and the bone out. The bone is soft, so you can eat it. But I take the bones out and the skin. So that'll be up to you. After I put those salmon patties in there, the temperature dropped. It's down to 315, but it will come back up. See, it's already coming back up 330, 332. I'm going to use 2 spatulas to flip these over so I don't splash oil everywhere. I get one to pick it up and one to catch it. You can see it looks golden brown there on the bottom. And that was about 3 minutes, between 3 and 4 minutes on that side. All right, our salmon patties are golden brown on both sides. I'm going to remove these, set them over here on a plate with paper towel so that they can drain. And we'll put in the next 3. So the first 3 cooked between 3 and 4 minutes on each side. That was golden brown. All right, here's the salmon croquettes with macaroni and tomatoes, coleslaw, a little bit of fresh tartar sauce. Hope you give it a try and hope you like it. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. And thanks again for watching.